Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today we want to look at how to use hyperlink formula, that's hyperlinking between sheets using a formula. So we have our content here, where this content refers to the sheet names we have here. So you can see custom number formats, convert text, delete rows, text in Excel, and highlights. We have used it to create a content. Now we want to create a hyperlink, in that we'll go straight into those sheets when we click on the link we are about to create. To do that, we go into the formula, we use the equal to sign, we type our hyperlink. So we have the hyperlink formula drop down, so we have it, so we select the sheet we want to go refer to. So assuming we are referring to the custom number format, then we click in one of the cells, comma, inverted comma, open, we type our link, then we close our inverted comma, then we close our parentheses, then we enter. So that will give us a link in there. Then we center it. Let me increase the font. So we see that we have the link here, we have the hand here. So when we click on it, it gives us an error saying you cannot open the specified file. This is because we haven't referred the link to the sheet, in that you can't see it as we want to open a particular worksheet. So to do that, we introduce the hash sign in the formula, where we begin with an inverted comma open, we introduce the hash sign, then we introduce our comma, then we go back and introduce our comma here before the hash sign, before the comma, we introduce the hype, then we enter. It wants to give us some correction, and will we accept that? No. I think we need to have our inverted comma closed here, then we need to bring our comma after the inverted commas, sorry. So this is what we have. Then we enter, we increase the font again, then we click. We are still having a reference error, which means we have to correct. So the comma or the inverted comma needs to be just after the format. So we have it here. We enter, we increase the font, then we click on it. Automatically you see that it takes us to the sheet we are referring to. When we go back to the content is there, when we click on it, it takes us to the sheet we are referring to. So we can do same for all the content, but for us to be smart on it, assuming we have a whole content listed to, let's say, 1 to 30, we can't be doing it one by one. So to quickly do that, we'll use the ampersand sign and now refer to the cells here. So we'll take out this content in here, escape, sorry. So we'll take out the format content in here, and now use an ampersand, then refer to this cell, which is B3, open ampersand again, then this time we are in, so we enter. So we have the link, we increase the font. So what we need to do is, before the ampersand, we introduce the double apostrophe, we close it here, then here too we close it, the double apostrophe, then we enter. So we still have our link in there. We increase the font size for it to be visible, then we click, then it takes us to the normal custom number format. So you can start here. So first we are done with the first one, you can just drag it down, and now it can apply to all the cells. So when I click on this link, it will take me to the convert text to date. You see I'm in the convert text to date. Now I go back to the content and click on the VLOOKUP, it takes me to the VLOOKUP sheet. This is how really smart you can really create a hyperlink using a formula. Thank you very much for following us, and continue to follow us on Knit It Consult Diaries. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.